Hello, everyone. Welcome to my live. Roxanne is rocking. That's Rockin in the building. Yeah, so on this lovely day, it's a beautiful, beautiful day out here today. Look at the sky, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Ooh-wee. And the sun is shining. Woo. Boy, oh boy. Well, today, I am going to be shoveling this old mulch up so I can replace it with some new mulch. Yes. So today I'm just going to be shoveling this mulch up, because this is ridiculous now, guys. This is totally ridiculous. I tell you. So remember when I painted my door? So just trying to do some outside. And then I have to power wash this because it needs to be power washed bad. But in the meantime, in between time, guys, welcome. So I am going to, let me see how am I going to do this, guys. Let me see. No, let me turn it. Wait a minute. Hold on a moment. Okay. Ooh, my phone could have dropped. Let's see if you can see it there. Let's bring this down a little bit. Let me see if you guys can see it a little. Hold on a minute. So you see my shovel. Okay. I don't know if you can. Oh yeah, you can see it. Okay, good. So let's see. I have some plastic bags, as you see here. Hope you can see this good. I have some plastic bags, and I'm going to start filling these bags up with this old mulch so it can be thrown out. And I don't want to fill them too heavy. Yeah, this mulch been down here a minute, y'all. Ooh, chill. It's old. You see? It's old. So, I'm letting you all know, especially the ladies my age and older, there's nothing that we can't do if we put our minds to it. Right? If it's possible. If it's possible. Sometimes, let's see here. I want to put some new mulch, some nice fresh red mulch down. This is gonna take a couple of bags, guys. Can you see this? Let's see here. So far, right? So I'm getting all this old mulch up, right? Yeah, you see? So that's what I'm doing. Going all around here, this palm tree. I haven't put any new mulch down in a long time. So now, let me put it over here. Guys, I wonder if you can, I know you can see me. Hey! All right. So, like I said, I'm not making a bag too heavy. Yeah, I've been meaning to do this for a long time, but you know how that goes. Procrastinating. Sometimes, nothing wrong with it. You just put some in here so the bag won't fly away when I put it down. So, and I gotta be careful. I don't want any ants to bite me. See, guys, I want to make it flush to the to the floor so I can put a nice even coat of mulch. And it's hot out here too. Just want y'all to know. We get 2 more bags, and that'll be good. Leave this against here, like, let's see here. I think that's good for that one. I can add some more dirt in here. I gotta get my broom and dustpan. Yep. Yeah, I think 2 more bags. And that'll be good. Let me see. I can add some more. Yeah, this is good. This one bag, see? Yeah. And it's hot out here. I might have to come back out here later on, honey. Shucks. It's getting hot out here. I ain't gonna finish the rest because I can't do that. Yeah, there's 2 bags. Figure about 4 bags I'll be done. Yeah. And you gotta watch it because the ants be living in this dirt, y'all. And them ants start biting, you can hang it up. You see these? Yeah, gotta pick these up. You know, we don't want that. Yeah, we don't want none of that stuff growing. See what we women do? You know? I always say nothing beats a failure but a try. Nothing beats a failure but a try, guys. You see? And then once I make it flush to these bricks, you know, then I'm good. I can add a couple of bags of mulch here. I don't have the mulch yet. I didn't go to Home Depot and get it. But it's okay as long as I start it, you know. I'll probably pick it up tomorrow. How you doing? I'm good, thank you. Yeah. So I'll probably pick it up tomorrow. Yeah, guys. So that's what I'll be doing today. Some outside work, you know? Yeah. And then it'll make me sweat. Yeah, that's what it'll do. I didn't do any walking today. I walked 6 days in the morning. No, 6 days in the morning, right. I walked from from Monday through Saturday. And then I walked, I think 4 days in the afternoon because it rained a day. Yeah, so something to that effect. But yeah, so guys, make sure you do some stretching, please, if you can. You can stretch sitting down, you can stretch laying down, you can stretch standing up. Just as long as you move something, you know. Something beats nothing, right? Something beats nothing. So yeah, let's see. I didn't walk today yet, but I've done, let's see here. What does it say, guys? 3,424 steps so far. And I didn't do any walking. I just walked around my house. Not around my house, the perimeter of my house, but, you know, from the room to the kitchen to there, to that, to that, to that. Yeah, so let me finish doing this, guys. I just wanted to show you that, you know, we can do whatever we want to do if we're able to do it, if we put our minds to it, right? Yeah. So I'll just complete this and wrap this up real quick, guys. And then I'll have another video putting down the mulch, you know. I like it. It looks so nice when you put it around your trees and stuff, you know. I used to have it around all my trees, but whew, that was a lot of work, honey. Now that I've cut a lot of trees, or got a lot of trees cut down, you know, I don't have to do that as much. Yeah. So anyway, guys, talk to you soon.